Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Mustang Mach-E. This one is the Select all-wheel drive. I believe this one's the standard range for a total price of $46,695. Not bad at all. Where's that button? So I think this is what pushes it out. So to open the rear door, push the button, you'll see it props itself open. Yep, that is what the kickstand is. So you can get your hand behind the door. For the front door, same basic prospect. Rear hatch. Good amount of room, especially because, you know, there's no motor back there, there's no motor up front. Do want to take a look under the hood, see if I can see anything under there. Carbonized gray. Alright, so you do have a nice cargo area in the front. Alright, without further ado, let's go take this thing for a drive. Alright, so right now I'm in all your vehicle controls. Access that by pressing the Mach-E. A couple different drive modes. It's pretty cool. You can get info on that. One pedal drive, so your regen, automatic regen. Pretty cool. There's your backup camera. Put the window up. Let's go for a drive. Now this is a drive I've been wanting to do for a couple months now. Ever since we started getting the Mach-E's in, I've been excited to try one out and see if it lives up to the Mustang nameplate. Yes, it does. This is a Mustang SUV. That's exactly what it is. You know, they're not calling it a Mustang GT. You know, it's the Mustang Mach-E. It's a different version. Just like you have the Bronco and the Bronco Sport. They're different versions. You can tell, nice and quiet around town. At parking lot speeds, it does emit some noise, so pedestrians know, hey, there's a car here. I'm gonna try one pedal driving. I tend to prefer that in electric cars. Oh, and it's nice in here. Oh, bring it right to a stop. Awesome. So, of course, this is for Ford's first all-electric vehicle, designed from the ground up to be electric. There's the C-Max, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, that had a gas motor as a range extension. The ride is sporty like a Mustang should be, but it's also comfortable. It's not going to beat you up every single day, because that would get very tiring very quickly. Over the rough road. Not bad at all. Oh yeah, one pedal driving is awesome. That should be the default mode, in my opinion. One pedal driving. I just wonder when they're gonna repave this, because at this point it needs it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.